Welcome to Keystone Homeschool, onboarding video 4.4. Start in the library here. You can upload your books that you can find on public domain sites, or if you have any, and then the students will be able to check them out. Just make sure they're in the format that is listed there, PDFs, .text. Here's your lesson plan. It'll set you up for a 5-day lesson. Select your subject, your topic, and again, once you're creating these bigger things like this, sometimes it'll take a little bit longer. Also, once these come up, it'll has a unique feature that you can have the option to copy some of the things inside of this lesson plan that you can use over there in your assignments. At the very bottom, when you're selecting subjects, you can do custom, and you can take these and pull them over to create custom subjects or assignments to go along with your lesson plan here. And you can download them so you can have hard copies if you need. Again, once you come over here to students, you can click on the grade book. It'll show you their grades. You check through your students. You click this over here. That'll generate you a report card that you can download, keep for your files and your records, or have printed off if you need a hard copy of it. It's your dashboard. It'll show you all the things that are going on. Keep track of your kids, where they're at, what the grade averages are, and what's coming up and what they've already done. On the student area, you can also click up here on this key. That'll change the password if they forget how to get in and what their password is, or if you need to delete their account altogether. Check out the student side. Alright, and here's the student portal. And you can see their assignments, the 5 they got coming up. I go through, everything's multiple choice on this one. Done, they'll scroll to the bottom, turn it in. They are instantly graded. They're instantly updated on the teacher's end, so you can see how they are doing each assignment as they do them. Three times each. Here's their writing assignment. Let's see what their words, their minimum count, their max count. Come over here, write our paper. And turn it in for grading and comment on the teacher's end. Alright. Reading of material, go to assignments here. Just click over. There we are. Now they'll be able to read the full reading material. Once they're done, they'll be able to check it off to show that they have read it. Again, that library, they can go over here, check out the book. Go over here, read it. Kind of shows up like a book. Alright, then they can turn it back in. Again, you can find a lot of these books on public domain sites or whatever you have. We got this game side over here, a little arcade. There are a lot of flashcard style games, help improve their math skills, basic things. Same thing with the word stuff to be able to help with the vocabulary. We got some history things going on just to brush up on the history to make it fun. A science lab to go over a lot of basic science concepts, mixtures, different things like that. Something to help them stay engaged, keep it fun. An old school Mario style game to help with those definitions and words. And then this is their reward system, where once they get their points, they can come over here and redeem. And that will wrap up most of Keystone. Here's the custom part for these students.